Alright, what's up? Amaya. And today I will show you three things: how to download VirtualBox, how to set up extension pack in VirtualBox, as well as how to enable USBs and wireless adapters in VirtualBox. So first of all, we need to go to this website. I will put the link in the description. Select your platform. Depends on Windows, Mac OS, Linux, or Solaris. I am using Windows, so I'm gonna go to Windows host. And also we need to download the VirtualBox extension pack that is given right here, and you can download it right there. So this new interface, this website has changed a lot, and I kind of really like this new interface. I haven't visited the VirtualBox website in a very long time, and this interface is very nice. Now, both of the VirtualBox extension pack has been downloaded and the VirtualBox itself is downloading. All we have to do is wait for it to download to complete, and then I will show you how to install it. Actually, I have already installed it, so maybe I do not have to do the settings all again. We will see. And I actually will tell you how to install the extension packs, as well as the main topic of this video is how to enable USB ports as well as install wireless adapters. Most of the people do not connect to the wireless adapter, that is why Wi-Fi adapters are the main topic of this video. All we have to do is wait for the download to complete, and it is taking a very long time because my internet is very slow. Let's see how much time does it take. Okay, so the download is now complete. Let's open it up. First we need to install the VirtualBox itself. Double click on the executable file and wait for it to show up. Here we go. All we need to do is click next, accept the terms of license agreement. Gonna go with the default settings. Yep, it will disconnect for some time and do some things. Well, everything is good. I'm gonna keep all the defaults and hit next and install the VirtualBox. It will take some time depending on the speed of your PC or your laptop. Let's wait for the installation to complete, and I'm gonna launch it right here, hitting finish, and it will open up VirtualBox in the background, of course. Okay, so the VirtualBox is now installed and is running in the background, and I have no idea. Let's open VirtualBox right here. So in the extension, you can go ahead, select extension and hit install. Select the one that you just downloaded and you can install it right here. Read the agreement if you want to, or simply just hit I agree like I always do, which is a very not recommended thing, but this is what we do. So how to enable the wireless adapters and USB ports? For this, first I need to gonna create a virtual machine. First, selecting the ISO, I'm gonna show you how to do that. Like this, select the ISO image file. If you are using live one or installer image, I'm not gonna install it right now because I have Intel virtualization technology turned off. But if you want to know how to turn that thing on, those links are always given in the description. I'm not gonna change any of the settings because I am not using VirtualBox anymore. I am using dual boot with my Windows device. So how to do that? Select your virtual machine and go to settings like this. I'm gonna expand the menu, and in the USB section you can enable USB controller. Depends on whichever one you want. I'm going to connect my wireless adapter right here. Now my wireless adapter is connected. It is connected in the USB 3 controller, so I'm gonna select that, and we need to add a filter. Here you can see this is my wireless controller. That depends on the chipset. Usually Earthreads and I don't know what it's called, and the MediaTek ones are the one you want to use. So in the adapter you can go to bridged adapter. Here you can see this is the Qualcomm one. select NAT to bridge adapter. Now your wireless adapter is now connected. Now you can use your wireless adapter within your virtual machine. If you're using Kali Linux like I am, you can now able to use your Kali Linux without with using wireless adapter as well. You can change your MAC address or you can just refresh it to get a new one. These are the settings that we have to do right now. So anything else? If you want anything else, I will provide the you can tell me in comments so I can make sure and we make more videos on it. A friend of mine actually one of your viewers told me that I should make a video on how to connect wireless adapters within VirtualBox. That is why I'm making this video. VirtualBox won't run because I do not have virtualization technology turned on. I will provide those links in the description. You can turn it on yourself. Anyway, that's been it. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next one. Take care, goodbye, and thanks for commenting. See you guys in the next